What is this one piece of hair just like, what is that? That's not a curl. Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
I fast forwarded it in the last video, so today we have to do extra AF. For today's video, I bought something off of eBay and it is called a mystery box. I've seen this all over YouTube and I find it really amusing to see what people have got. Basically what it is you go on eBay and they're selling these mystery boxes that you don't know what you're gonna get, but you pay the certain amount that they're selling the box for, and once you get it, you open it up and see what goodies you got. Hello, I'm trying to film.
I have a delivery.
Oh, it's Olfo, Wolfie, and Prince. Two dogs. What a lovely delivery. So cute. Stop being so loud out there. For like the past 3 videos, people comment that they can hear you in the background because you're always so loud. You're so annoying.
We need a bigger house.
Usually you're playing
I'm
Fortnite.
about to play.
God damn it. You're so loud.
Hopefully I don't die. Otherwise I'm coming.
Okay, well, here goes like a 4th video in a row where you're gonna hear Charlie in the background yelling. I don't know where I left off, but the point of these mystery boxes is that you're hopefully spending less money than what's worth in the box. So I happened to find one that is all makeup in there, and it was supposed to be high-end makeup. It was a whopping 135 US dollars. That's like 170 Canadian dollars. Mind you, I'm rounding up a couple dollars, but that's expensive. That's a lot of money to invest in something that you don't know what you're getting, you know? So I kind of have like anxiety about this. I'm really hoping there's good products in there. Otherwise I kind of just threw this money like away. But it's for the entertainment of this video. You guys better hit that like button. You better subscribe because I don't know what I spent my money on. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the box. It's very underwhelming. I was kind of thinking like it's gonna be bigger, but then again, it's cosmetics. Like makeup is not really like in huge packaging, you know? So it's pretty plain. I just ripped off the thing with my address on it, so I'm not getting stalked, you know, because it's the internet, but this is what the box looks like. Ah! I almost dropped it. If you think about it though, you can spend $170 at Sephora like really easily on like only a couple items, so feels like it's got some weight to it. That's pretty promising. I've cut it open just so that it's easier for me to be filming this, but I haven't looked inside yet. I literally just got it today. This is kind of cute. Okay, it looks like we've got some used up Jeffree Star Cosmetics paper here, but that's okay. It's okay. There's a cute little note. It says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope my item has gone above and beyond to meet your expectations. All the best, Ariana." Yeah, thank you, Ariana. Looks like we've got one bigger package here and then a little bit of wrap stuff here and a brush. It is a brush from It Cosmetics, the blurring foundation brush. Wow, this actually looks so nice. I also was kind of concerned that maybe it would be like used makeup or whatever, like fake makeup. I did a video testing fake makeup and that stuff looks legit. So I was worried that they would try and like scam me with that. So we'll see about the rest of the stuff, but this looks legit. It still has the packaging and everything. I actually do not have this brush. So far so good. I kind of did like minimal makeup kind of. I mean, depends on what your minimal makeup is. Thanks, babe. Brought me scissors. Okay. We're blurring that. Get out of here. So here it is. It looks like a really nice buffing foundation brush. Ooh, it's soft. I've never really tried the It Cosmetics brushes, so I'm very keen to try this out, and I'm happy. For the first item that I opened up, I'm actually pretty happy. Let's open the little package up here first. Ooh! Why do I just keep dropping everything? What is wrong with me? So I squealed like that because there's something from Kylie Cosmetics in here. Wow, I was not expecting that. This is the loose powder highlighter. I haven't tried this out yet. I've been wanting to try it out. Is this real? Is it real? Yeah, it is, I think. This is actually sold out on the Kylie Cosmetics website right now, so that's even cooler. And it has the little plastic thing on there, so it hasn't been used. So far, both these products look pretty legit. Pretty. Let's apply that. Okay. Oh my God. On the website, it says that this one is Kylie's favorite, like this shade, so maybe that's why it's sold out on there. But the fact I got a sold out product in my mystery box, and it's Kylie Cosmetics, like so far, it's kind of lit. Mind you, I did kind of have a little bit of a highlighter on there that I've had on all day, but this is insanely intense. Like, that's almost too intense. Like, it needs to calm down. That's just ridiculous. You see, it's like, there's so much. Okay, I'm living. I'm living. I'm glowing. This is only like $14 though, so I mean, we're not up to that 135 US dollars yet, but I'm getting there. And I'm happy about this because I guess it can be kind of worth a little bit more since it's sold out online. So we'll give it more points for that because it's definitely an in-demand product. For sure, if you want a good dupe to this though, I'll let you on a secret. ColourPop's Luster Dust are literally the same packaging, same type of formula it seems like, and my favorite shade is Nomi. I feel like it's really similar to this one. And those ones are only $7 and they're not sold out. So I mean, it's Kylie Cosmetics, so I still stand, but there's a dupe out there if you want to know. And the product next to that is the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush in the shade Obsessed. So this definitely isn't like my go-to shade. It looks a little too pink. So we're gonna try it out and just see how it goes. But I mean, that's like very pink. You guys know I lean more towards like peachy colors. Or like even more bronzy tones, but like that's pastel. That's like full on, you're trying to be a China doll and I'm not down right now. Maybe if I really just blend it out. Mind you, I barely touched the powder and like I got that much product. Hey, but as I'm blending it out, it's actually not that bad. These blushes though are really good formulas, so that's really bomb. So that tiny little tap I'm using for both my cheeks and really working it in there and like blending the crap out of it just because it's such an intense color that I don't really want it to be that intense. But okay, now that I did that, like it's not that bad. You know, I'm actually surprised by this one because after I really blended it out for a while, it's kind of pretty. Who would have thought? I like it. Moving on, let's open up the next package here. What do we got in here? It is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. Oh my God. This is like for pre-order right now, so you can't even buy this. I don't own this. Oh my God. I thought there was gonna be more. There was just, that's it. That's it. I mean, it's over already. So this is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. It is huge. It's way bigger in person than I thought. And I actually have not reviewed this or talked about this, or I don't even own this. So it's nice that I have it now. And the fact that this is another item that's kind of like hard to get and it's in demand and it was included in the box, I think that's pretty cool. Honestly, I think I got it pretty good because I watched a lot of these videos, not of like makeup boxes, random items in the eBay box, and like a lot of the times they're like so crap. But these are pretty good items. I don't have any eyeshadow on right now, so why not create a look with it? It is so pretty. I'm a little disappointed that there wasn't more items in the box because I really had it in my head that there was gonna be a lot of little items because of that picture that they were showing. But from what's actually in there, like it's good quality stuff and like in-demand stuff that you can't even get right now. So like, I'm happy. So I'm gonna mix glucose and sugarcane together for a brow bone highlight. I guess why not do a mini review on the palette while I have it here, since there wasn't that many items in the box. I feel like we can do a more in-depth tutorial now on the eye. See if this palette is really worth the hype, you know? It's definitely got unique packaging and the pans are really large, like they look larger than average. I'm gonna go in with Tongue Pop and we're gonna put that right in the crease. This is a really pretty peach shade. I'm actually tempted to use this all over the lid, but I wanna use more than one shade, so we're gonna just use it in the crease for now. So that's applying beautifully and blending out really easily. There's a little bit fallout on the palette, but that's like to be expected when there's super creamy, like soft shadows. Now I'm gonna use the shade Fresh Meat. I'm gonna pop that in right on the outer corner and then bring it up into the crease. It's applying a little bit more pink than I thought. It looks like a really deep kind of raspberry shade in the pan, but it's definitely looking a little more pink on my lid. It's blending really nicely into that transition shade though. Do you see how flawlessly that's blending? Wow. There's no patchiness. The pigment isn't sticking to my lid, and this is what it should be like. Like, I really love the Soft Glam palette, and I was unsure about it in the last video. Like, I love the shades in it, and I really was trying to make it work, but it is harder. Like, it's not like these shadows. So if you want to update on that Soft Glam palette, like, I've been using it a few more times, and I do really like the shades, but I just don't get a flawless blend every time, and I kind of accept that. It's just harder. I just want ABH to go back to the modern Renaissance formula. Like, why is it different? I don't understand. That palette was so good, and it seems like everyone that they've come out with after that is just kind of like finicky. Wow, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I feel like this whole palette is really out of my comfort zone, other than like the first row of shades. You feel me? I mean, we're gonna channel our inner Jeffree Star today and slay it. Now going in with Extraction. So I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner. But that too is kind of like not dark enough. So I'm gonna mix it with the darkest shade in the palette called Coma. Now with whatever's left over on my brush, I'm gonna kind of cut the crease a bit here. I'm going to take a little bit of foundation on a lip brush and I'm going to plane it up and cut that crease a little bit more on the inner part. So now I'm going to take Glucose and I'm going to place that on the inner part here, really packing it on the inner corner of my eyelid and then slowly brushing it out. Now this is like a super intense white. That's really impressive. All these shadows are super pigmented. Like the quality is A1. So now I'm gonna take Candy Floss, which is a shimmery shade in the palette. I'm gonna pack that on right in the center and slowly blend it outwards and into those other shades. Oh my God, I'm like struggling to look across at this mirror far away from me and I realize the palette has this huge mirror, which is like super clutch. So now let's bring those shadows to the lower lash line to connect that smoky eye and balance it out. To complete the eye look, I'm gonna do some wing liner just because, I mean, we're dramatic AF, might as well. So the eye look is complete and I think it looks bomb. I really, really like it. Let me pat myself on the back. Looks good. This is a bomb palette. Like Jeffree's eyeshadow formula does not play. It's a really good formula. This palette is gorgeous too. I think it's very unique from like the casing to like the actual shades inside. Like you don't see those shades put together pretty often, I think. I feel like this palette would kind of scare me away and probably a lot of people just because it has like the super bold colors in there, the pink, purple, the red, but I think it has enough like neutral shades and transition shades for you to be able to still create wearable looks out of those colors. And I think those colors are what makes this palette really unique and something that you wouldn't have in your makeup collection. So all in all, I probably wouldn't have bought this for myself, and the fact that it came in that mystery box, like I am so happy about that. Like it's not even available online, it's sold out. Okay, so there was only 4 products in the mystery box, but that being said, I am not disappointed with any of those products that were sent. Like they were really good products. I thought all of them were hits, and I think without doing this mystery box, like I probably wouldn't have purchased some of the items. Like the blush I would have thought was too pink for me, but I actually really, really like how it looks. And then same with the Jeffree Star palette. That palette specifically like didn't really scream my name because I normally would never really wear pinks and stuff like that on my eye. And I probably wouldn't have bought it if I didn't do this mystery box. But that being said, this cost $135 US, like with taxes and everything. And those 4 products, I think it's like $116 US. I didn't break even that way. I'm kind of trying to give it the benefit of the doubt and like think of it in my head like, okay, 2 of those products, the Kylie one and the Jeffree Star palette, aren't even available online right now. They're sold out. The Jeffree Star one you have to pre-order. So if you think of it that way, like they're very high demand, maybe you'd be willing to pay extra money for those type of products. Then again, you wouldn't know that they're sending you those products. So like, do you want to take the chance on spending that money and maybe not making it all back? Like, I don't know. I think my box was really, really good. So I'm pretty happy with it. I just wish I had more products in there because I felt like this went by really quick. Let me know down below, would you guys try out this mystery box, and what product in the mystery box I got was your favorite? I want to know. Let me know down below. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not yet part of my S Club. All you have to do is click this button of my face right here and then check out these other videos of mine. Have a marathon, watch more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.